2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, ABS four-wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, cruise control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, auto-off headlights, rear defrost. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.